era, there was no any kind of availability of the emergency case. For example, if pregnant lady is here, if pregnant woman is here, if child is suffering with any kind of disease, so there was no any kind of availability of the ambulance. But now we can say, because of the new era, because of the development technology, now we will call one call, so after that the ambulance is here, the police is here for the safety of women. You are saying about that, what do you think about it? Do you have answer on it?
Yes, old in the old era, we have a medicine. We have a medicine because why? Because of we have a good plan. Yes.
So I have an answer for this question because in you told that there are not they are not available in past old era, there are not availability of ambulance police. How can you say that in past time there have not they have not that type of harmful thing, there are no thief, there are no type of any type of crimes in past time, but nowadays there are many crimes done by peoples. They do
How can you say that? How can you say that? Because
you can
disease
see
can
that
become,
you can see that in
disease
night time
come, disease can become anytime. How can you prove it?
you can see in new era there are availability of police, but nowadays there are a lot of crime the crime level is increased, but in old era there was no, the crime rate is very low due to old era. In old era there was a medicine
No, what about
medicine
the
provided
safety?
by
What about
people.
the safety? What about the safety? What
In
about the
old
safety
era
of
there was
children?
many
What about the safety of
safety.
women?
In old era there were many safety because
If your old era was really too good, so why the discrimination between the girl, between the boys? Why the untouchability was there? Why these kind of things were there?
And also in the past, their Sati Pratha is also famous because due to that there are too many women who are also burn out their own self. So how can you say that the old era is good as comparison to new era? So due to society pressure, they are did and they are used to did the they are used to do the, we can say the Sati Pratha in that time. So how can you say that the old generation is good?
So in new generation, what the new things? There are many students who are died because of the pressure and depression. So what about them? And in the old era,
So do you have COT? In the past time, people did not used to dead and they didn't used to end their life.
so in these generations, they are the students are pressurized by their parents and they are depressed. So what about this?
It also happened in the past time.
How can you say in past and they are not pressurized by their parents?
Do you have any one example?
They are man. How can you say in the past
Say
times
any one example.
there are many
Say
students
any
who are
one
taking
example. So we will agree.
in past generation there is no.
In the past time people was study in the gurukul. So in the gurukul they give good knowledge and self and also they build the
That's why
skills.
discrimination happened in the schools in the past time, in the gurukuls.
No,
It used to happen.
no, in the past time this
About
is
the
no.
caste, religion, and even the, you can say that the gender. There's many kind of discrimination used to happen in the past school, but nowadays there's no any kind of discrimination among the schools. They are co-ed schools, and the education is about the school is so high. Government provides the any kind of facility, different kind of facilities for the students.
But why the student are pressuring and also
Women discrimination that time.
What do you think about it? That time? The woman discrimination rate was too high at the peak of it. What do you think about it? Even in the past, they didn't give the any kind of opportunity to go to school to the women. And in today's that now women can go freely outside at the night also. Now women can also participated in the education system. Everything is available for the woman. Even the woman empowerment is going on.
And now there's the government also make the women's right. So how can you say that? How can you prove it also?
Okay. At that time, there was a Gurukul. In the Gurukul, women used to study.
How can you say that? In Gurukul,
Yes.
the boys are in Gurukul. there is
Boys and girls
Gurukul is
both
the
are
boys.
boys and girls both were studied
Oh.
in the Gurukuls.
No, you are saying about that in the Gurukul that boys or girls can study themselves. But what about the religion caste? That if any person is belonging to the lower caste, so they said that no, now you have no any kind of right to study with us. You cannot sit even with us, because that time the people create the different kind of religion caste. That yes, we are the bigger caste. You are not able to even sit with us. That if you want to study, so you have to study outside the door. Even what kind of this
Caste system
discrimination?
also exists there in the current society.
How can you say that? No, there is
Yes,
one.
it is there.
Even my Hariom friend cleared that
But
the quiet schools are there. Even the quiet schools are there. Government is also providing us.
while
But
schools are there, but caste system is also present in that current society.
can you prove it? Can you prove it as any single case?
Yes, there is
Now
lots.
we all are learning English.
There is
but
lots
we
of
don't-
there is lots of discrimination in the school.
and also let him share. Yes, let him share.
There is also discrimination in the school on the basis of caste.
So can you prove it?
Yes, there is lots of upper caste students who used to not sit in front of the lower caste and besides the lower class student.
But now there are these of cheat. Now the students have right to complain, and the rights are written also in the FIR. And also the seats are reserved for the SC, ST and OBC, like in the parliament, also like in the studies and else.
So
And discrimination cannot be ignored. In the past time, there were more and most of discrimination because of girls, and they are also married in very less age. So how can you say that there were no discrimination
today
in old
also
generation?
today also people are married early age, not in cities but
No, it's the
not
first
in-
thing.
not
People
in
used
city,
to marry
not
in the
city but
in the old
villages.
era.
People
In the old era. Now people and
not in
students and
cities,
small
in
children.
village
It's not wedding in
girls
nowadays.
are married earlier
You
also.
talk about the child marriage. No, it is not happening. In the past time, in the old era, it used to happen. Even here is the laws. The constitution has the laws about this thing.
And in the past also we have also example. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the biggest example of the Dalit. It also survived with the untouchability, the Dalit. Because in our past, in the old generation, especially in old generation, the people are used to do very casteism in our daily life, and they can also used to do the casteism due to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also survived with this problem. So how can you say the old generation is so good? Because of the Gurukuls and the Gurukuls.
Also this is going on also in the present time, because of, if I talk about the village, then also in the village, like village unemployment, people
How?
do work many small work, but
In the
we
old
use
generation,
we use that product.
all the children are pressurized to do work in the farms. How can you say that?
You guys told that in new era. So you guys told that in new era there was no discrimination between girls and boys. So how can you say that? You can I have a live example in labor. There the man have given more wages than a girl, because the people society think that a girl cannot do a hard work compared to a boys.
That was the mindset of the past people. There is
So
no any kind of mindset
why
of
why
them.
it is done in new era?
No, new generation even
How can
giving
you say
the
that? There
opportunity
are
to
many
them.
examples. You
So
can
now
go
you can see in
outside. You can see in
I have
outside
best
there
example.
are
Do you
done
know
by
about the gym? Do you know about gym? Boys and girls, both of the gender go into the gyms for their muscles. If you know about the there is no many kind of Olympics are here, many kind of challenges are here.
So I am
The
telling about in
women-
labor work. I am telling
women
about
do.
in labor work. The girl get the
No,
girl
you
done-
talk about the power. You talk about the muscularity.
I told about that the girl do not get equal wages to a boys, because society
No, she can do.
society
She
think
can
that
do.
girl cannot do a hard work.
That was the mindset of can say the old generation.
So why
If you-
they are living in new era?
Yes, in new era there is no any kind of discrimination.
How
between
can you say
them.
that?
The girls are also participating in the Olympics. The girls are also winning the match. Even India also got the medal trophy by the women only. How can you prove it? How can you prove it? And Maricon is the biggest example of it.
So in the coachings of new era, there are two students who are paying the same fees at the same coachings, but they are divided into two batches, like topper batch and lower batch. What about them?
But the teacher do not see that.
As yesterday, my teacher said that everyone is equal for us. How can you say they are dividing into two batches, like topper batch and lower batches? So what about the lower
You are
batches
saying
students?
about the lower batches and topper batches. So in which do you know about the race of the rabbit and the turtle? In which what happened? That rabbit think that now he can achieve, but they both of take the process. But rabbit develop or recover it very fastly, and the turtle slowly. So these two processes are here in society. First, they are the also those kind of people that they take the suddenly, and the people are also here that took a lot of time or a certain time of period to achieve this kind of thing.
In this generation, what about the
So
poor children?
you cannot join this point or interlink this point with the new generation because
What about the poor children who are not studying in the schools? The governments are not doing and not even making a schools for the poor children. And in the old generations, the rich.
How can you say that? Because there are so many government schools for the poor people, poor children, and also they are going. So and also there are the government providing the free books or the there are right to education, and there are so many things. So how can you say that?
So I agree with this hard point because why women do married in very child because people in old generation parents pressurize the women's that time. This is the one point, and second and also midday meal scheme for the children that poor children will also attract with them like in the schools because of midday meal scheme most of the students are coming.
and you said about there is less opportunity of the education. So how can you say the government is?
So I was thinking that old era was good because in that time everybody and in every family they eat together, they live together. But nowadays they are not separated and every person live alone.
In the new era, people are also living together.
How?
A biggest example is mobile phone. We all know about the mobile phone connects the people.
Mobile phone is also a problem of new era. Yeah.
No, even people used to live in the you can see the long distance. If I am living in Delhi and my relative live in the Uttar Pradesh, how you will talk to them? How you will connect with them? Just because of the mobile phone, because of their connectivity. Just because of that, you will connect them and you will talk to them.
Because of mobile phone, people gets lonely. They have their families, but they just keep scrolling the phone, which is not good.
No, I am talking about the relationship, connectivity.
Okay.
I took the example of this.
Okay.
If my friend and my relatives stay in the so far comparison to my house, so how I talk to them? I talk to the individual basically for the connectivity of the mobile phone. Even in the old generation, if your friend is, you can say that live in the far distance, how you will talk to them?
But mobile phone addiction is, as you know that.
To give the answer my question.
Okay.
Do you have answer of my question?
So his question is very simple. That if you are living here in Delhi and you have to call in Uttar Pradesh, so how would you call? That by your shouting about the mobile phone, it means the mobile phone get the very easy way to talk with them.
But there is lots of harmful.
Even it doesn't matter that your relative is in Uttar Pradesh or out of India.
But
It
there
doesn't
is
matter.
lots of harmful disadvantages of the mobile phone.
Yes, so that's why he
People
wants
gets
to.
lonely. People
can you
is
take some
suffering
example of
from
disadvantage of
depression
mobile phone?
also
Can you
because
take
they
the
have mobile phone.
Can you take
They-
the?
Yes, I have many more examples.
Yes, share one, two, three examples.
Like people, someone having mobile phone, he's just scrolling and doing lots of things, and he's not
to make
communicating with
to
the
make themselves
others.
better,
Like
to
at
make
the
themselves
old time,
productive. That's why the people are
we
using
communicate.
mobile phone. Because mobile phone also enhance their personality.
As the old
productivity,
time,
the things
we
which
used
are
to communicate with the people. So there was
Come
no
the track.
depression.
Now you come the track. I already mentioned about the track and about the connectivity. Now you also talk about the connectivity about the different people who live far to my house.
Okay, you said there is connectivity.
Yes.
But of mobile phone. but there is lots of
So with the help of
disadvantages.
with the help of mobile phone, you connect with the relatives.
People taking their life, people get depressed, people eat lots of medication. They are suffering from depression because of mobile phone, because they don't have to talk someone, they don't communicate with the people in their family.
And also in the mobile phone has also advantages, like you have said about the meditation, and there is songs and many things they can listen, and they will get satisfaction.
Okay. In the old time, there was also a lots of meditation exercises. There was also a lots of music, lots of songs.
And also mental
People
therapy
used to
apps.
sit together and play the song. Used to do
You
meditation.
can also see the mental therapy apps are available in the Play Store.
There was also mental therapy, like yoga, meditation,
but in now
sadhana,
the
Ashtanga
generation
yoga.
is
There was
digital.
also
Generation
lots of
is
meditation
digital,
exercise at
we
that
should
time.
also be digital. Like in the children don't know about the meditation and many things.
No, there was
So
Gurukul.
they will search in the phone. about the
Teacher was
meditation,
used
so
to
they
teach
can-
the meditation exercise in the Gurukuls.
That's what I'm
Now,
saying.
at that
the
time-
people were not able to do any kind of good exercise because in Gurukul the fully there were a presenting of the discrimination between the lower caste, upper caste, and discrimination between the girls, boys. But that's why they were not able. But in today's era, there is the different kind of machines, therapies are there. Even the physical and manual therapy, both of therapies are there to improve yourself. In the
old era, people didn't have to take medication because they are free from depression. They have
what do you want to say?
Okay.
What do you want to say in it? That in today's era, the people are suffering with the depression.
yes,
How can you say that? Can you example one simple case?
yes, there is lots of
No, they are developing. That now you don't know about it
Developing.
because you are spreading of fake news. You are saying the name of technology
People
or
are
development.
taking their
You are
life
counting as
because
a
of lots of-
depression. It's not. It will not count
Because
as a
of lots
depression
of
and
study
anxiety.
pressure.
This is called a development technology. Because time to time, everything develop, and that's why the India is growing.
technology.
Yes.
This technology creates lots of pollution in the environment, as you see, the popular pollution of the Delhi.
So first thing, this is the climatic condition. We cannot control
Climatic.
them. We cannot control them.
Pollution
We cannot
because
control
of
them. It's not
industrial
our-
chemicals.
Do you know about the electric vehicles? There are a lot of the EV vehicles are here. Government even make them vehicles, manufacture this vehicle to reduce the pollution. Even our country is developing, our nation is developing. Yes, sir. And even Chandrayaan 3 is happening. If you know about the recent, if you know about the future plan of the ISRO, ISRO will develop and ISRO will release the Chandrayaan 4 in the future. If you don't know about this, so that there are many kind of government services are here. Even the students are selected by the government because of now new generation, and they are know about the different kind of variety, new kind of invention what is happening or what is going on in the society. That's why the ISRO talk about that in the, you can see that upcoming future they will